Okay, I caved. I wasn't going to get any more mystery boxes. I have found that I get a lot of things I don't need, and I have so many things that I really don't need to get mystery boxes and get items that I didn't pick out. But I couldn't help it. 49 and Market is just one of my favorite companies, probably my favorite one that's producing products right now. And so I've been watching a couple of the unboxings on YouTube, and I thought, you really can't go wrong. Everything in these boxes is usable. So I went ahead and I got myself one of these boxes. I'm a little late to the party, so a lot of places were sold out, but I did find that Scrap Mania had the boxes, and I just checked a few moments ago, and they still have some boxes. It doesn't say it's sold out. So if you're like me and you've been wanting one and you have decided to get one, they do have them at Scrap Mania. I also noticed that there was another place called Betty's Creative Studio, and I don't know anything about Betty's Creative Studio, but I did notice that they also had some boxes. When I looked briefly online, I didn't see any other boxes in stock anywhere. So in case you're looking, those are some leads. But I'm going to open this right now. This was $59.99, and I think the shipping was maybe $12, which isn't too bad because this is 6 pounds. So I understand they're all different colors of boxes. I have a blue box, and I purposely didn't watch the videos too carefully because I knew that I would be getting one and I didn't want to ruin the surprise. So as soon as I get this open, I'm going to share with you what's inside. Okay, here we go. Well, I'm already feeling really excited and really happy. I got these Plum Grove ephemera bits. I definitely have this paper. I love the ephemera packs from 49 and Market. So I thought that was great. And then some little yellow flowers called Canary. I love little flowers. I like getting big flowers and little flowers and combining them. And then here we have Countryside tag set. I also have these papers. I got a lot of these papers from when I was getting my creative scrapbook kits every month, and this was one that I got the papers and then I bought more papers because I liked it so much. Well, those are cute. And here we have a Vintage Artistry Sunburst Spiral Notebook Set. So I definitely have this collection, but I'm not really familiar with what's in here. So let's take a quick look. Well, this can always be used. I always find that I can cut these packaging pieces from 49 and Market apart. Okay, so there's some, so there's little notebooks. And if I don't want to use it as a notebook, I could use these pieces of paper. And my scrapbooking pages, oh yeah, this is really nice. Sunburst was one of my favorite collections. I love summer collections. I don't even really have that many summer photos, but I love those collections. Okay, so here we have chipboard stickers from Vintage Artistry Naturalist. I might have these. I definitely have some of the papers from this collection. Awesome. I love chipboard. That's my other favorite embellishment. And then what's this? Oh my goodness. Moonlit Garden Laser Cut Elements. I have some of these papers. I don't think I have too many of them left. But I absolutely love the ephemera packs. Awesome. And what is this? Oh, Nature Study Wing Elements. Looks like lots and lots of butterflies, all different sizes. And these colors will go with so many different collections. That's awesome. Okay, let me look at some of these boxes. What are these? Ticket Essentials. Oh, okay, this will be great for my budding interest in junk journals. I've been making things, haven't put anything together yet, but I have been making some things. So there are rolls of tickets, a roll of stamps, and they're all in this kind of mustardy yellow color. Awesome. Is this the same thing in purple? Yup, same thing in purple, which actually is great because I love making Halloween layouts. And I think that this might be a little bit too lavendery, but we'll have to see. Very cool. And then here Here's another set of laser cut elements. Oh, this is so beautiful. I don't think I have any of these papers, but I have lots of pink collections that I could work these into. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Essential text blends. I love these. It includes 2 of these papers, one each of 2 designs. Oh, these are great for mixed media pages. Oh, I love these. Awesome. Very excited here. Here we have some lilac ephemera stacks. And I feel like I just recently bought lavender. I don't know if that would go together with that. I bought some of the collection packs from the collection lavender. Maybe this would match in. But these are fantastic. These packs are always so filled with great elements, so many great layering pieces. Oh, that's awesome. Vintage Artistry Essential Hardware. This looks really cool. I've never tried this before. I love the hinges and all of these little, I guess they're like screw heads or nail heads. Really cool. And then I have some of these, like the actual item. These were in style a long time ago with scrapbooking, and I think they're really cool and would probably be great for junk journaling too. Oh, look at this. Would be great for my junk journal. A water enclosure set in black. Waterfall enclosure set. I'm going to take this out. Just take me a second. So you can put, oh, this will be fantastic. This is awesome. I don't know if I would have used that just for scrapbooking. Maybe I would have, but I'm excited to put that in a journal. What is this? Ocean collage sheets. I have never bought this product before from 49 and Market. Collage sheets. So these are all the different collage sheets that you get. And I have been starting to make some collages. So that's so super cool. Awesome. Never tried that before. And then here we have some, Art Options Rouge Essential File Set. I definitely have the paper from this collection. You can see I love 49 and Market. And it comes with all of these little kind of like pouches you could tuck things into on your pages. And then there's some other elements, file folders, and then these look like pockets. So these look like they might be made for journaling. And here we have, Spectrum Sherbet. Oh, that was such a fantastic collection. I really, really love that collection. I love the colors in it. So these are some, let's see, little hardware pieces. Mini index clips. I definitely would not have thought to buy these, but I would like to try them out. And then we have some paradise-shaped clips. Those are really cute little clips. Ocean envelope bits. I never got the Ocean collection. Oh, these are like little envelopes. These are great. And then little labels and, yeah, all labels in all different types, little frames. And that looks really cool. Now I wish I bought the Ocean papers. Here we have some butter washi strips. I think I might have some of this collection, but you don't have to have the collection, I think. I think you could work this color into so many different collections that 49 and Market makes, and then probably some other ones that they don't make. And then what's this? A rouge cluster kit. Oh, these are really cool. I have never worked with these, although I might own 1 or 2, but I definitely don't have the rouge ones. Very, very cool. Has lots of little accessories and then the pieces you could punch out. And I think you could make them just the way they have them here, or you could kind of go off on your own and do your own thing. Let's see what this is. Some, these look like they are stickers. Just looking at the front. Oh yeah, washi tape stickers, 1 roll. So let's see, I don't know if I can get this open easily. There we go. Oh, it says Believe, but these don't really look like they're from Believe, to be honest with you. These look like more they're from like the Sunburst collection, which is fine with me because it says Beachy on it, but it is labeled Christmas Spectacular. Well, I don't think that matches, but I am just as happy to get this as I would be to get the Christmas Spectacular roll. Interesting. Okay. Next we have these clips, Perfect Memories and Today in rose gold. Those are cute. And then let's see, some repositionable fabric tape. Oh, these are awesome. This is so cool. Oh, wow. I love this. I don't think I've ever bought fabric tape before. Oh, that's so cool. Look at that. And that's one of the nice things because I would never have thought to buy this. And look how cool that is. Very nice. Oh, is this more of ocean? Yup. Oh, these are the rub-ons for the ocean collection. Oh, these are awesome. And you get 6 of them. Very, very cool. Butterflies, florals, more florals. The text with kind of the splatter. These look like different lines. And then over here, we have different labels. Oh, I love that. And then here we have wishing bubbles and baubles. These look like they're from the summer collection, Sunburst. Yeah, those are really cool. Love these little baubles on top, the hearts. And then there's these are hearts and circles, and here we have just hearts, and then a bunch of other little items in between. And I love these right here. Those are probably my favorite. Very cool. Sorry if I keep saying cool. I'm pretty excited. Okay, this is an older collection, but I'm pretty sure I still have some of this. And you can make a page without having anything from a collection when you have this many rub-ons, I think. I would love to give it a try. Very, very nice. I love the way it's 12 by 12. And then in the bottom, there are some papers. Let's see what we have. Okay, so here are the papers. Here is a beautiful paper. I love the way this is neutral with all the beautiful flowers. And then on the other side, we have a gorgeous neutral too. And I love the branding strips on 49 and Market. They're always worth saving. And then look at this gorgeous paper. Now this one is not neutral. I'm not sure which papers I like more. I tend to use the neutral ones a lot, but these just really are eye catchers. And then on the back we have this one, which is a little bit more neutral. Look at this one. That's gorgeous too. I wonder if that would go with the ocean embellishments. And on the back we have this. So beautiful. It's funny, I don't really dress in yellow, but I love working with yellow when I'm crafting. I love this. This is so pretty. Really gorgeous. Here's another one. Oh, I love that. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Here's another one. I don't think these are from any of the collections that I have. I think they might be from the same collection. I'm not sure. It just says vintage artistry. Interesting. This is beautiful. Look at this. I don't know if you're as big of a fan of the 49 and Market papers as I am. I absolutely love them. This is so pretty. This is from Peace and Joy North Pole. That's a Christmas collection from a little while back. There's another one. The peach. Very pretty. This kind of reminds me of the really old My Mind's Eye papers. Really pretty. That side. And this is the front side. Oh my goodness. I'm in love. I'm in love with 49 and Market. Oh, look how pretty this is. Oh my goodness. That's so pretty. And on the other side, they have this neutral map. Here we have another paper that has lavender on it. Very neutral B-side. And then we also have this gorgeous paper. This is from Christmas Spectacular. I feel like you could use this for anything, you know? It's totally usable for pretty much any occasion. On the back we have this beautiful solid. So that was exciting for me. I hope that you enjoyed it. I feel like this was well worth the $60 plus shipping. I feel like I got so many amazing products. Some of them I'm just so happy to have because I've tried items like that before and I've used them and loved them. And other items I'm really excited because I never would have bought that, and I'm hoping that I can put them to good use. So, as I mentioned, if you're interested in getting a box, Craft Mania still has some available, and they sent it out really quickly, and I am absolutely thrilled. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you again soon. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.